Hello YouTube people, this is Mr. Necromancer here because the screen says so, and look, you can just about see my hand move. Don't mind my axiom that's there, or my cup of tea in this lovely flowered pot. Autofocus tea. Today's going to be about this. Secret wrapped up package. It's from scan.co.uk. Now what does that mean? That means it's a computer bit. I'm not going to say what it is because, well, I know what it is, and the point being of this video is to show the unboxing. But then again, I'm supposed to have the title of this in. What do I have in here? It's a power supply. Because my current one is a bit naff. It's a Wincool, as in one of the budget ones. Got it from CCL a bit back. And it's not very good because I have new components and I needed something more powerful. Let's get to opening it, shall we? Okay, so as usual, they've sealed it pretty damn well. It's got this massive amount of security tape over it. There's a QR code on the side, which I haven't actually scanned. It says scan to see the short film. I think I might do that in a little bit. So, question being now is, how the hell do I get into this? I have tiny scissors. Tiny scissors and a massive package. Security seal there, not for long. This is very hard to do with one hand. I should just, if I just cut across there, like that, and just tear across. This is not how to open a package safely. But you know what, I'm not exactly the average person, so it doesn't really bother me so much. Ooh, look, there's a slight hint as to what it is. GS800. Have a guess. Might need to do a little bit more cutting on that side. Doesn't want to cut. Ugh. Never mind. Let's do a jump cut to this out of the box. Jump cut. It's covered in bubble wrap. Again, it has a scan security thing on it. They're very serious about their security. It would appear I've already cut into the bubble wrap. That's not very nice. Anyway, I think I'm going to have to seal this. Caution. If the band is broken, do not open. That's pretty much what that says. Oh no, the band is broken, I can no longer open this package. Balls. Anyway, you can kind of see what this is. It's a Corsair GS800. It's a power supply for gamers. I thought it'd be a nice upgrade. The thing's only cost me like, what, 87, 88 quid, including postage, so it's not too bad. Let's get it out and have a look-see. And there we go, look at this big sexy beast. Big GS800 slapped on the front. It's got blue, and that's handy because I have an Antec case with blue fans. What does it say on the text bit? High performance ATX power supply at 800 watts. Tasty. What we got on the side? Yep, you can have 3 different colours of fans, which is always nice. It says red, white and blue. Red, white and blue. Is that American? Boo, don't like America. Oh, a finger in the shot then. That wasn't very nice. What does this say? Auto switching circuitry provides universal AC input. Supports ATX 12 volt 2.3 and EPS 12 volt 2.91 standards. Backwards compatible with ATX 2.01. And then you have your dimensions, which are 150 by 86 by 160. Not too shabby. That's the side. There's really not much on it. Oh, that one has to be turned over again. Christ, this thing's heavy. Ooh. Here we go. Lots and lots of information. You get a 3-year Corsair guarantee, it's 80 plus bronze efficient, EUP, whatever that is, and a free colour LED fan. Tricolour, lovely. So, advanced technology from the performance enthusiasts at Corsair, guaranteed to deliver 800 watt continuously at up to 40 degrees centigrade ambient temperature. Ooh. 85% efficiency. Ooh. Quiet fanless operation and customizable and reliable. Handy. There was another unexpected jump cut there. Doggy problems. That'll be explained in another video. Anyway, let's turn this over and put it on its back. On its side? I don't know, so you can see the back. There's the lovely Corsair logo. Why aren't you focusing, you silly iPhone? So we get ATX power, which is always nice, otherwise your Mobo's not exactly going to work. We get one CPU cable, it's an 8-pin, so it looks like it's a 4-4 split, but it's not. We also get 4, tap to focus, yay. We get 4 6 plus 2-pin PCI Express cables, which is going to be bloody handy for my new graphics card. D, we have 8 SATA cables. Well, SATA power cables. I should have said it would be nice to have SATA cables with a power supply, but alas, no. 8 Molexes, peripheral cables as they're known now, and 2 floppy drive adapters. Really don't know why. And yes, I was just reading that off the side. No. Anyway, what does this say? Consistent, continuous power delivery. Performance and reliability. 800 watts, 100% of the time. Rock solid voltage outputs. Lovely. Go away. Speakers are humming. Fanless operations. GSU. Load increase. And a single rail, 66 amps. More than enough for my lovely new graphics card. There's the fan noise level, which, let's go in, there we go. So apparently it can get up to 40 decibels at 100% load. Don't think I'm going to be putting that much into it. There's its efficiency rate. That's not too bad. And there's your outages. So, yeah, not too bad. 66 amps, 792 watts on that power. My card's probably going to be pulling about 200 to 300. That's doable. How about we actually take it out of the box now and have a look-see? Yes, get into focus. Here it is out of the box. Look, I can actually tap it and stuffs. Right, I have no idea where the opening for this is going to be. Looks like it could be there. Or not. Nope, I just nearly tore the box. How the hell do you open this? Oh, Christ. It nearly fell over then. That's not good. Yeah, where is the opening for this? Is it a peely thing? Do I just, like, snap it? I don't know. Hello. Hello, Mr. Corsair. Ooh, there's a model number and stuff. That's always nice. Oh, lovely. So you get this really, really fancy box, and then inside, it just looks like cardboard. That's not a letdown at all, Mr. Corsair. Oh, how the hell am I going to do this with one hand? Okay, let's just pop my phone there. Try and do this as gently as I can. Legs are a very useful thing to have. So there's a, well, it's essentially just a big cardboard thing, and it says Corsair on it. Nothing on that side. There's a made in China. Wow, isn't everything these days? Why can't we have like made in, Yorkshire or something, and then there's just the usual recyclable nonsense on the bottom. Right, let's see about getting into this. I'm assuming I am going to have to break that seal. Where have I put my magical scissors? This is awkward. There we go. Right, same problem again. How do I get in? Oh, I'm absolutely useless when it comes to unboxing. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Because it looks like this is going to lift. Does it? I don't know. Oh, I think I might have just opened it upside down. That's not very good. I can't have opened it upside down because that's there. What? What? Yeah, but I've opened it upside down. Okay, jump cut, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so it turns out that there was a hidden side panel, which is this lovely bit here. I couldn't find it, so I've nearly destroyed the box already. What's this? It's a warranty guide by Corsair. That's useful. What's this? Important safety information. Not really needed. What's this? Cable ties, zip cables. Yeah, and a couple of screws to fasten it in. That's always nice. Okie dokie, let's make some space over here for the cable-y bits. There's my other monitor. Ooh, malware bites. Something naughty's on my machine. Ooh. Okie dokie. An actual plug. That is always nice. Kettle cables are always lovely to have, and it comes fitted with its own fuse. Aww. Oh my lord. This is where it's going to get interesting, because they're obviously attached to it. Ugh. Egg cartons. They're useful. Not. I'll just drop them down there. It's the wrong way round. Let's do a bit of rotation. Put you over there. Look at this, it's blue. It's got blue trim on it. They do have like an optional add-on pack where you can buy different coloured trims, but I really don't want to do that. Anyway, oh look, it's one of those silicone jelly jobbies that keeps things together. Lots and lots of cables. Let's get this out of the box and then we can have a look-see. And here we are, completely out of its box. Completely naked. It's a GS800. There's the lovely little coloured fan thing that's probably going to go on the top. Upside down. Although it does have the... it's upside down on that side as well, so... We'll fathom something out when it gets mounted. There's the little LED switch jobby. Obviously, there's your I/O for power on and off, and there's your plug. As if you didn't know that. Giant fan on the top, it's see-through, it has LEDs and stuff. And there's all the cables, which were tied together in a nice, tidy manner, but I've had to undo it, so I can obviously, well, get rid of the jelly stuff, which is this. Silica gel, do not eat. Do not eat, throw away. I'll just sprinkle it on my chips later. Okay, so the next stage of this video, I'm going to be taking out my old power supply, replacing it with this. I'll probably do a little bit of chatting about my old one and show you how terrible it is. So yeah, let us end there for now. Ooh. Okay, so here's my current system, obviously minus power at the moment. It is quite dated, but you know what, I really don't care. It's a P5Q Deluxe motherboard. It's got a Q6600 in there running at stock at the moment because my current power supply wouldn't allow me to overclock it, so hopefully I might be able to get something out of it. I've only got 3 sticks of RAM in because this far left yellow DIMM seems to be a bit faulty, as in when you put anything into it the system refuses to post. Most of the space is taken up by this. It's an EVGA GTX 570 classified. This thing's so big, I've had to pull out my hard drive bays, which means I no longer have my front fans. Well, at least at the moment, because, well, my power cables are all over the place. There's my XFI card. It's a Sound Blaster XFI Titanium Fatality professional or something like that, I don't know. I'm aware it only uses a 1X slot. I do have one over there, but there seems to be issues when I use it relating to my graphics card, so I'd rather not risk it. I am also aware that this is a Crossfire based board, but I'm only using a single Nvidia card, so I should be okay. This is my current power supply, as in, well, what I was using. It's a Wincool ATX thingy. It's 850 watts, or so it says. I am having to use a splitter for the PCI Express because it only had a 6-pin power cable, which probably shows it's not putting out that many amps. So yeah, please give me a good slap, because I'm trying to run a classified 570 off this. Bad idea. So yeah, and my cables are all over the place. I'm having massive issues. And yes, that is an ID cable. I still have an ID-based disk drive. If anybody has a spare SATA DVD writer that you don't need, it would be much appreciated, because this ID cable is taking up room and it's just not required. Anyway, the point being, that GS800 has to go in here, so I'm going to be doing, I'll do another video when I've pulled this one out and got it all in wide. We can have a look at how terrible it is, so bear with me, guys. Okay, so here's my old power supply. This is a WinPower 8850 EPS. Apparently it was about 800 watt, 850, I don't know. Total output 850, it says there. The slightly confusing thing is, I don't know whether you can make this out, because I'm trying to recall my bit slope. According to this, it says I have 4 12-volt rails and they each pack out 17 amps. Which is a bit, I'm kind of curious because, you know, obviously I have this big 570 which wants 38 amps. Now, you know, 17, fair enough, that's fair enough. 15 and 15 would be 30, so that'll be 34 amps using 2 of the rails. That looks like there's more than enough power there, so I don't know why that's not working. Unless I'm getting this wrong and it's just shared across. I have no idea. Anyway, it's black. It's a budget jobby. It was bought from CCL. On advice from one of my friends a while back when I was using a less powerful graphics card. Generic things, so, you know, split 4-pin and 4-pin for CPU power. Wow, I'm not in it. ATX, of course. Lots and lots of Molex and shit. And then the killer, which was this. A 1 6-pin PCI Express. So, yeah, not that many amps, to be honest. So, unless 2 of the rails were dedicated for this, I don't really know. But I could run a 460 off it, and the 460 needs something like, I don't know, 20 odd or 30 amps, I can't remember. It's terrible anyway, and it's getting replaced with the GS800. And here we are, guys, it's installed and it's running. New heatsink as well. Obviously one of my previous videos, I had a bit of an issue where my other one, well, the pins broke, so I couldn't use it. Still got spaghetti wiring. Yeah, case is a bit small. There's really not anywhere that I can put them, but it does function. Hard drive enclosure is still out because of the 570 taking up all the space. Everything's working okay. The only thing's been my front fans, aren't connected to anything. Again, because I can't actually get any cable to reach them. And my top fan is currently running okay, but occasionally it gets a bit choppy. So yeah, there we are. That's what it looks like in a very untidy system. So it's there and it works. Thank you for watching the video. I'll keep you informed of how this goes.